Behold, the Pond of Glory. It is so cool over here. Now let's go to the Litter River. Pond of Glory leaks into the Litter River. Isn't that cool? Litter River is the home of many, many animals, such as Beast, my pet dog. Man, I really wish that other river did not run out. As a matter of fact, let's go over there now. Look at the shiny marble I found. Super cool, right? Anyway, look. You see? See the little pipe right there? You see it? That leads into the Pond of Glory. And then the Pond of Glory leads into the Litter River. And then the Litter River. And then the Litter River leads into... I really don't think there's any reviving this tree. But hey, look. The stream leads into there. Isn't that cool? It's a little stream for ants. That's nice, right? Nature, it's so beautiful. I probably shouldn't be taking a video of my neighbor's house. But anyways, nature, it's so beautiful. Leads into the